BluTable voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
Ole si tulanga pitusili ole tau. Ole lafo me ole pepa tala oloa. Ona whaangale e whaatau i oloa e au ngā more ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai e le sa so fua tau e le sia sa.
Le fia foi sa we mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana whaatau ma me te mga oi. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo voucher ua mau le apususi o se wa fine. So se paro loa fai ngo fie. A me se le tferwa i mala telefoni. Tai mi uma. Ai lo le lafo me le cash ona inu e le tamao le ainga.
Pa te tu lava le talo for voucher mo le foi au nang fo pa tai. Ma lu la le tampai.
Pa tai talo voucher.
Teki talo for voucher.
Talofa lava everyone, malole so for malangi e mama, and a warm Pacific greetings to everyone who have finally tuned in. It's Monday and the weather out here in the 09 is looking, oh my goodness. It is beautiful here. It's been a beautiful weekend and I'm here with my bubble, my girl Claudia. Claudia, how have you been?
Talofa lava everyone, and welcome to another brand new spanking week. It's a beautiful Monday out here, like they were saying, in the online. I mean, check out that sun. And we thought that we would do something a little bit different. You know, the sun's up. We're like, why don't we take you guys for a little walk? And we are going to be supporting.
We are supporting local today.
We're supporting local business today, and we're going to actually take a little walk down to Malva, which is just around the corner from the Bluwave office. So yes, we're just going to do
for sure. But you know, first of all, a massive shout out to our sponsor, of course. Have you got a business idea? A lot of the business ideas have been birthed during a lockdown. It is unfortunate that a lot of our Pacific businesses have taken a little bit of a, what do you call it? You know, hitting some challenges right now. And that's okay because our amazing community are always 100% behind our team to support our small local businesses. However, a lot of them have been finding it hard and difficult to find their feet again. So please, if you are in a position that you can help local businesses, please do that. But if you're thinking you've got something amazing that can help and contribute to small businesses, then you need to hit up the Generator. The awesome team there, they are there to help you grow. I'm just thinking, do you have something amazing that can really boost our economy? Head up the team there at the Generator and they will be able to help you guys out.
Definitely. And you know what I'm loving already about this walk is that, you know, if we were still in the office, then we wouldn't be like, you know, out and about with the community. And I've just smiled. She probably doesn't know that I'm going to flip the camera on her, but we do have a
check
new
this out. We've got the team
on the bus. There we go. Hi. Happy Monday.
Guys, it is really important that we do continue to show that love and support. And don't forget take your mask around with you guys.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, the weekend was pretty good. You know, we had an awesome time with Pacific 40, who is also one of our sponsors, Falute, and also the awesome Mr. Lene there, Talai, who successfully helped their community this weekend there at the Scopa event. So congratulations, Scopa. Well done.
Well done. Now, what I do recall that their target goal for Saturday was to vaccinate at least 200 people. Now, did they meet their goal?
My goodness, did they meet their goal? Talai, you have so many friends. It was bring a mate to vaccinate, and Talai has 400 and something friends. They doubled their target. Yeah. So I'm super proud that, you know, that our community got behind Scopa and supported them. But man,
it was such an amazing event that it even had an appearance from someone, Santa Claus. If you guys haven't seen that already, head over to the Blue TV page or Bluwave page, or check out the TikTok page as well.
I know it's been amazing. It's an awesome vibe, and you know, sometimes, you know, it's what is it? Reality versus
versus social media reality.
I know, but
real
guys,
reality.
Real reality. We are here. We are not even going to filter this. We're just here showing you exactly what we love to do, and that is to support our local. So let's walk over and see how Melba's doing. But comment below. Tell us exactly, you know, the local businesses that you want to support, who you think we should support, and we will head over there to support your favorite local business. But we are here to support our local, which is Melba. So let me just go and find something. I'm going to hand it over to Claudia while I go and order something.
Oh, Lani's tuned in.
Hi, Lani. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in every single day, Monday to Friday. We will be talking a little bit more about how, you know, just a little bit of reflection. It is November and we're heading into Christmas, and we're kind of unsure what's going on at the moment and waiting for the government to make an announcement. I'm going to head over there. I'm going to put my mask on. It's called a date. So I'm going to have a date with Claudia. I'm going to buy something for her. One moment, please.
Now, guys, honestly, it's such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day out here. How did you spend your weekend? Because I did head over to the beach on Sunday, which was yesterday, and it was so nice just to see everyone out there just enjoying themselves, wearing masks, of course, keeping their distance and within their own bubbles. But there was this one particular group, and they had brought out their whole entire barbecue. They had a speaker that was probably like up to my waist. They were just playing these jams. They were playing the Finger Boys and Backstreet Boys and all the hits from the 90s. And it was just really cool how like the whole entire beach, like everyone on the whole entire beach just turned into like this massive karaoke party, just singing along to the music that these group of friends that were playing on the speaker. So that was really cool. But yeah, so what did everyone get up to in the weekend? And I'm really hoping that Bea's going to get me a nice drink. But I know she knows me. I know, I trust her. But she's looking at me a little bit suspicious. Moment of truth, guys. Here she's back.
There we have it, guys. We are supporting local as promised. But if you have someone that you want us to go and support, comment down below. Let us know what's hot, what's not, because I'm finding it really difficult to find some new locations for us to visit. So hit us up, let us know, because we're pretty keen on supporting local. We know the damage that COVID has, you know, the impact that COVID has on certain businesses. So let us know. I think we're going to be heading out to...
We might. So we have been trying to hunt for our selfie stick, because if you haven't seen, I'm actually carrying this with my arm. And not that I'm complaining, but I do feel like after an hour, it's going to be feeling the pain. But we might try and see if we can actually score a selfie stick. Does anyone know where we could possibly buy a selfie stick at level 3? And a shout out as well to Bea Simu, who is commenting but saying, well done, lady.
Wow, there's another best Semo out there.
Even though I know I'm standing here with the real bear, but like hi to
Hi
bear
to
number
the other
two.
best Semo. But guys, this weekend has been amazing. We've seen so many of our local families heading over to the beach, but don't forget that we are still on lockdown level 3, and our government will be making an announcement later on with regards to whether we're going to step it up a level or bring it down a level. I'm not too sure. The traffic light system will be activated shortly. I'm not too sure how shortly or how soon, but you need to keep an eye out for the official announcement. Please just be careful with the misinformation that's getting sent to you. I think in the weekend, a few people have decided that they would make personal attacks towards our local MP. So guys, show a lot of love. I mean, you wouldn't like it if someone attacked your family. So guys, please, they're just doing what they need to do for our community. Otherwise, yeah, I'm just kind of looking forward to my shake.
I'm just very curious to find out what you actually got me. Now, this is a very, very, very romantic Monday, but it's just another way and an example to like you guys, you know, just something this small, something, especially now during lockdown and through these troubling times, just doing something nice for a friend or your partner or maybe that special friend. You know, it goes a very, very long way.
It does go a very, very long way. I know in the weekend we did support another local business, which is Let's Get Grazing. They've been awesome and the perfect picnic idea. I tell you, stress-free, and you know, sometimes you get too much onions in the grazing box that you didn't ask for. But this time I'm actually quite impressed. Let's Get Grazing was the perfect addition to our amazing day there in the Eastern Beach where we managed to relax. I did have 2 dates, one on Sunday and also one on Saturday evening, where we actually stayed out till about 2 o'clock in the morning enjoying each other's company. With my girlfriend. So guys, honestly, it's the small things in life that matter. Don't worry about the big diamond rings. That doesn't really add value, right?
No, it does not. No.
I think our order's up soon. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And
I think we're going to go into a short break because my arm does need a little bit of a rest. But we're going to collect our shakes and we'll see you very shortly to continue our nice sunny walk. So
let's go for a walk. Stay tuned, guys.
BluTable voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūlanga pitusili o le tāu. O le lafo me o le pepa tala o loa. O na whaanga le whaatau i o loa e au ngā mo le ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le sa so fua tau e le sia sa.
Le fia foi sa we mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana whaakau ma me te mga oi. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo voucher ua maua le apususi o se wa fine. So se paro loa fai ngo fie. A me se le te whai ma le telefoni. taimi uma. Ai lo le lafo merkes o nei no le tamao le ainga.
Ia whapea tu lava le talo pa voucher mo le foi au nang fou whaptai. Malu lava le tampai.
Tai talo pa voucher.
Teki talo pa voucher.
Here, then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le sa so fua tau e le sia sa.
Le fia foi sawe mo mawina le foi au nang fou ala mai le talo pa voucher. Ia wana whaakau ma me te mga oai. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo pa voucher ua maua le apususi o se wa fine. So se paro loa fai ngo fie. Ai mai se le tferwa i malo telefoni. Taimi uma. Ai lo le lafo merkes o nei no le tamao le ainga.
Ia whapea tu lava le talo pa voucher mo le foi au nang fou whaptai. Malu lava le tampai.
Tai talo pa voucher.
Teki talo pa voucher.
Talofa lava and welcome back. That's right, it's your girl Pea and Claudia on BluTable Podcast today. Today we decided that we were going to go and take you guys for a walk. We are here in the beautiful 09, trying to figure out what to do during this, is it level lockdown point 2? Claudia, what are you up to?
I know it's 3 point something. But I just want to say this iced chocolate from Melba Manukau is beautiful.
Oh gosh, guys, if you haven't been following me, I have gone into a detox mode. So I managed to get me a berry smoothie from Melba while we go for a walk. Let's just make sure that there are no cars. So we're just going to quickly walk. But you know what? It's been an amazing year, hasn't it, Claudia?
It's been an amazing year. And I'm just like, a cop car just drove past and I was like, oh my God, are they going to stop us? Not that we're doing anything wrong, but I just get a little bit paranoid. But it's been an amazing year, guys. You know, it's just crazy to think that BluTable Podcast, like, it pretty much was birthed like what, 6 months ago?
It was, yeah.
Like, it hasn't even been a year, and already I feel, well, we both feel like we've just achieved so much. And guys, believe it or not, like half the time we don't know what we're doing. Like,
Yeah.
I remember at the start we would just get in front of the camera and they'll be like, okay, talk, and we'll be like, all right, so what do you say? And like, I guess it's a really great skill to kind of develop just to be able to like talk in front of camera. But you know, in the six, 7 months that BluTable has existed, we've just been so blessed to like meet so many beautiful people, as well as sponsors, guests, and supporters. You know, every single day we're just meeting people that just genuinely support us, show us so much love. And you know, just like everyone else, we get our days where we're like, oh my God, we need that little bit of motivation to kind of keep on going. And then out of nowhere, we'll have a beautiful message being sent to us that, like, you know, that we've changed someone's life, or we've really touched them in one sense or in another. And it's just such an amazing feeling. And to then also be nominated for the New Zealand Podcast Awards, it's just like, woo!
Yeah, that's been mind-blowing. That's probably been a massive highlight for our Blue TV ainga, for Bluwave actually. You know, like we've always mentioned before, nothing is ever easy, but everything is possible with God and his love. and the support of so many local businesses and our amazing viewers who continue to tune in every single day, so loyal. But, I just wanted to also, today was all about kind of just taking that time to have a break, that it's okay. It's okay to have a break, and we're just like everyone else, that sometimes we struggle in life and find that right balance. And that's why today, instead of bringing a guest on and stressing all over about it, we thought that we would go out and take you for a stroll. And I think we've been standing here giving Claudia, poor Claudia, I really should be the one
I know.
holding
We got
the
this.
phone.
It's a team effort. It's always 50-50, guys. But honestly, thank you so much to everyone that voted for us for the New Zealand Podcast Awards. The results, that didn't flow away. But the results are going to come out this Thursday. So we're crossing every single limb in our body. That you never know.
That exists. Yes, you never know. We are again. So much love to the producers, producer Ram, producer Ryan, who always show, every single day. It doesn't matter what we ask of them, they are there 100% to support us. Yeah. But this award could potentially be the next, it could help us break down those barriers that we thought as a Pasifika business, oh my goodness, I don't know. Sometimes we always think, that we can't do it. But you know what? If you believe, if you surround yourself with the right people, then you better believe it. You can do it.
Grind, guys.
But you know what? It's a really nice, beautiful day here in Auckland.
Yeah.
You know what? The other thing that we wanted to talk to everyone about was this whole Facebook reality versus social media. And I am probably the worst at it, whereas I post up something amazing on social media, but in reality, I am so heartbroken over these small things. So that's something that myself and Claudia wanted to talk about. And I think Claudia just wanted to touch on a little bit about that as well.
I think it's always just really important.
I think I might give Claudia a break.
Yay! No, but so you find yourself a friend that you can lean on, guys. But I think it's just really important to just remind everyone, especially.
Hi everyone. Good, thank you.
How are you?
Yeah.
Just make they look beautiful.
Oh, thank you. See, there you go. Just something nice. Share a little nice compliment to everyone. It does make a difference. But like we were talking about before, with regards to
Facebook versus reality, I think it's just really important to remind everyone, but especially our younger generation, that what you see on social media isn't always the truth and is usually over exaggerated. If you really think about it, influencers is a career nowadays, so their job is to sell very pretty pictures and products and stuff. But just remind yourself that not everything is what it appears to be. I was watching this documentary on Facebook, and it mentioned how there's actually some influencers that have green screens, and then they put up pictures of other beaches or other places around the world, and then they claim that they were in that country when they were really just in their lounge. So if you find yourself comparing yourself and your life to someone on social media, just count your blessings. There's no need to compare this. There's no need for any of that. You're beautiful. There's only one of you. That's the beauty of you.
That's right.
That there is only one of you, and no matter how much anyone else wants to be like you or act like you, they will never ever be you. And I think that's just something very, very special in this class to be grateful. And it's just me, or you getting fluffed as well.
Oh my gosh, see, and this is the beauty of going live stream. The reality is I'm huffing, and I'm like, but guys, did I just do that? But guys, I agree. I totally agree 100% with Claudia. That there's only one of you, and that you are unique, and that you are special, and that in your own way, in your own beautiful and wonderful way that God has created you. He created you to be special in someone's life. He created you to be havoc in someone's life. And I know that I'm a bit of a havoc. Oh my gosh, I'm like,
I actually read something that said that that everyone is probably the villain in someone else's
That's
story.
right. Yeah.
So always make sure that you're just the hero in your story. Doesn't matter what anyone else's story is or what anyone else's interpretation or perception of you is. As long as you're happy and you're the hero in your story, that's all that literally matters.
That's right. And I think, it's a constant battle of mine to try and achieve certain goals within a certain time frame. And today was actually a great example of myself and Claudia. Just for a moment, we're not giving up. We're just taking a rest. Today, we're just taking a rest, taking a breather, and we wanted to make sure that we took a breather to show everyone and all of our viewers that it's okay to take a breather, but not forgetting we had an awesome celebration for Daisy's birthday as well, which is a reminder of celebrating life. And Tui had a beautiful way of saying it, right? He said that we need to celebrate life. That if you want to go out for that coffee with that best friend of yours, do it. And that's what we're doing. We're making sure that every single day is a special one. And to be honest, I'm just tired of wasting time on things and certain events in life that don't actually matter. And today, we're making sure that we take a break, that we have stopped, that we are resting, and that we're reflecting, that we're going, guys, look, it's so beautiful outside.
Exactly. And there was something else that Tui mentioned as well. He said that why wait until someone's funeral
Exactly.
to say all the nice things that you want to say to them,
right.
and that you should have said to them in real life, because if you're not going to say to them, if you're not going to say all these nice things and show your gratitude and appreciation for this person while they are alive and able to actually absorb all the nice things that you want to say, what's the point in standing up there at the funeral for half an hour saying all the nice things? And we were like, that makes so much sense.
It does. And Tui shared some wise words. And like Rosie does, our management team, the awesome Martin, Hannah, every single person in our team, in their own unique way, have contributed something, a part of their hearts and their souls, to ensure that when we come to work, that it's not just coming to work, that there's something more that we're coming for, right? It was really important that we took a break today to reflect and to say thank you, just to say thank you to every single person who takes that time, because time is the most valuable thing that anyone can offer anyone.
Yeah, because money, you can always make money, but you can't make time.
Yeah, you can't.
Gain time back.
The richest person in the world can't even buy time. I'm just, so it's quite important for us today to take a breather and to talk about that reflection and just to go for a walk, because lockdown hasn't been easy, and it hasn't been easy for myself, and it hasn't been easy for Claudia. And we just wanted to show that side. We really wanted to strip away all of that stuff, saying,
grab this hair off my face. But I'm finding it really interesting, the number of people that are driving past and just staring at us like we're crazy.
But you know what, crazy is good too. So I wonder if anyone was willing to wave out to us. But okay, we better just keep an eye on the road.
Maybe we should next time we go for a walk. Maybe we should come out to the side and say it's
Beat for some
I used to do that in year 9. So year 9, I went to Girls Grammar School.
Yeah.
And so we'll catch an after school bus to come back to South Auckland. There was only 9 of us, so my bus. And we used to make these signs, and then literally said beat for support, and we'll just wave them out the window on the motorway, and we just have so many people for support. We don't know what we were supporting, but we got a lot of support, and it's one of the funnest memories I've had of media.
Yeah. And that's what it is, is thinking about all the good stuff in life. I'm going to be honest, I'm actually quite tired of, let's not make it about Bear's problems podcast, But guys, I think it's really important. And, I just wanted to say a massive thank you again, once again, to everyone who's shows some support.
Ooh, and we've got Addie. Addie's tuned in. She's
Oh.
Love you, Addie.
Well, and I wanted to make a shout out to everyone here at Melba. We're supporting local as promised, and we're doing it in the most realist way possible. We are out and about today in the beautiful Manukau.
Rosary is
Here
asking if Malva are making chicken waffles.
Oh, we should have asked.
Has anyone had any chicken waffles? They're amazing.
I had waffles yesterday. But that's it, guys. We are just walking around local, supporting local, and making sure that we get that walk in as well. I'm actually quite tired. Yeah, everyone's between. We've had a message also from Lorenzo, and we've got Bronson and the team this week on Wednesday, who will be having a mass vaccination this Wednesday. So tuning in tomorrow will be the awesome Bronson. But man, I feel like we need to stop somewhere. Should we take a nap? Should we take a nap there?
Half Measures podcast are also tuning in. Hi guys.
Oh, hi, Talofa Lava to our team there, Half Measures. I think we're going to go and take a little rest there because, my gosh.
Well, I want to listen to MIQ though.
Yeah, maybe not. Well, should we just sit there?
Should we sit in grass?
Let's sit on the grass. We're going to go sit on the grass and let's talk a little bit more about reflecting, right? Okay. Here we are. We are located in Manukau. We are having...
You can't get any more realer than just sitting on the grass on the corner of Great Plains Road and Cavendish Drive with our drinks that we've purchased from a local business.
Oh,
And then we've just spilled some of it on the grass as well, guys.
But, Claudia, the other thing that was quite important that I realized over the weekend is the amount of support that people have for the Bluwave team, right?
Oh man, the love and the growth that just the Bluwave team has made, even like this year itself, is just so immense. Like while we're at the Scopper Backstripe, the Bluwave team had its own marquee, and it literally looked like an actual like setup. It was just
Hi. Everyone's saying hello. See, did you notice that when somebody said hello, I smiled. Just so gosh, but also another thing is important to really take time for your kids. I saw Lorenzo sharing that he was out and about at the beach with his children. It was awesome to see not only just that, but also just the fact that, you just take some time for yourself to take care of yourself. So, my gosh, can you hear my heart beating, guys? Is that real or not? Because I'm so little bar right now. Oh, it's been an awesome year. It really has. Bluwave, we're so grateful to every single person. And I'm going to say it again, Bluwave, yes, we do hit different. The hearts, the souls, it's different. It's a different vibe. But my hand's getting bare.
I'm telling you guys, find yourself a friend that can tag in when you're feeling like you need that extra motivation.
Like look at us, we're just here hanging out, relaxing.
Like literally, if you guys think I'm exaggerating, we're really not. We're out here. I wonder if there's going to be any people that are going to wave back at us.
Let's just wave. Let's distract everyone.
If we have 5 people waving at us, then I'll buy someone McDonald's.
I don't think anyone's going to wave today. I think that we're going to distract everyone. But guys, it is really, really important that you just show a little bit of love during this time. Take a break, take a breather, go for a walk. Those friendships, make sure that, those important friendships, make sure you nurture them, because it's really hard to find loyal people nowadays. I'll be honest, really, really hard. So keep those loyal circles close to you. What else? What other advice do you have for our viewers today, Claudia?
Let's see. Advice. So my first job out of uni, I had a really, really, really cool boss. His name was Tom. And the best advice that and this was like years ago, but the best advice that he gave me, I still live by to this day. And his advice was, there's context behind this. Okay, so I'll explain it. So if sometimes when you're like, especially in a very stressful job, and you're like, oh my god, like for example for us, like sometimes we've had guests that cancel last minute, and we're like, oh my god, what are we gonna do? Like, we don't have a show, like, and you start getting like really wound up and really stressed out. And those moments, my boss would always say, Claudia, just relax. Nobody's died. And like, it just hit me that nothing in this world is actually that serious, because everything can be fixed. There's always a solution to everything. So there's literally no need to stress. And I mean, you will never know, but like Ben and I, we've had cases where like we've had like maybe someone cancel like just before we're going live.
I know.
Instead of freaking out,
like 2 minutes, like literally a minute before
like
going live.
120 seconds, guys, like before going live, and instead of freaking out, it's just like, well, what can you do?
What can you do? And you know what? And I'm gonna, we've learned so much on the show that even the last minute cancellation is actually a blessing, because we've managed to relearn. We continue to learn new traits and new skills and we learn new things about each other that we didn't know existed, and that's probably the beauty of it. Not only do we learn new skills, we put the producers under a lot of pressure, but it also brings to light what we need to do to improve. So
I like what you said. You're like, every cancellation is a blessing.
It's a blessing. Like, so to everyone that has helped us with the guests, bringing our guests through, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. These guests have added so much value, not only to our lives, but to the lives of so many out there. I'm actually quite excited for one of our guests that's coming on board this Friday as well.
Oh, yes. And I know we say this a lot. I know that Ben and I, we are always saying, oh my God, you're my favorite guest, and we're always excited. But we actually genuinely mean it, because every single guest is our favorite and very special in their own way. But I am very excited.
I'm very excited. I'm very excited. And I'm actually looking forward to next year. This year we've introduced some new challenges this year, but we never let the challenges rob us from the blessing that's before us. And I just wanted to say to all of our amazing viewers that take that as well, don't let the challenges in life rob you from the blessing that is before you. And our family at Half Measures podcast have said, always time for a nap. Always time for a nap. And I feel, you know what? I really feel like this bed of grass here would make for a very, very nice place to nap at. I'm thinking it's a beautiful day here in the 09. It was nice to have a little break. It was nice to reset today. And just a reminder to all of our viewers, reset. Don't worry. You'll find that you'll be able to give the better you to others, and it's better to give that you than to give the angry you.
100%. You just gave yourself advice. And
Yeah.
you know what? That's actually that is pretty good advice in itself, because sometimes you just need that self-talk and
That's
that
right.
self-love. And like when you're, should we see if he goes wave at us?
Oh, I'm not sure.
3, 3.
Hi, everyone.
Do you guys want to wave for our camera?
Yay! So we've got someone waving.
Hi! Follow us on Blue TV.
Yeah, we have it. We are campaigning, making sure that everyone tunes into Blue TV. But
And I find that it won't, because we made 2 people smile in that car.
That's all that matters.
Do you remember that AA ad from like years ago? And it was like, a smile is contagious.
It is.
And it's just like one smile, like this guy smiled at another person, that person smiled at another person, and then it just like traced.
Yeah, that ripple effect.
Yeah.
Share a smile.
Yes.
Share a smile.
I think that should be our advice today. Smile at someone.
Smile at someone. Smile.
Because you never know just how much they might be needing.
Oh, that reminds me of the song that I used to
You
sing.
Just smile. That one?
No. I used to sing at Sunday school there at Time to be a PIC. And hang on. I wonder if I can sing it. It went, smile a while and give your face a lift. Whee! Raise your hands to the one you love the best. Turn around, shake hands to the one you love and give your face a smile.
I love it.
Oh.
And that made me smile.
Did it?
It did.
Guys,
So
it's
cute.
just the simple things in life.
That was really cute.
You know, we've actually asked our producer Rams and producer Brian if we can just chill out today, and I'm pretty sure we might get into trouble for this, but
there's people heart reacting to you singing.
real. Sure, it's not a laughing emoji.
So
Guys,
we definitely won't be getting in trouble for making someone smile.
guys, it's really important. We're just out here saying that we're just like everyone else. We struggle like everyone else, and that it's okay to rest. It's okay to find yourself in a little dark corner, kind of gasping for air because you think that this is the end. No, it's not the end, guys. It is not the end. I promise you, it's not the end. There are so many more blessings before you. Don't let anyone rob you from that blessing. But
Definitely. And do you know
Yeah.
do you know how they say that, like, when you find yourself like in a dark tunnel,
Yeah.
they're like, you know, there's always light at the dark tunnel. Well, I read once that, you know, instead of waiting or searching for that light at the end of the tunnel, you know, just realize that you are the light in that tunnel. Yeah. Look at this. Pea and
this.
Claudia, life advice.
life advice today, it's just showing the realest stuff. That it's okay to be just out there cracking alive. There we go. It's been a
Yeah.
beautiful day.
It's been a gorgeous, gorgeous day, and we are out here in Manukau in the 09, guys. It's a beautiful day. People are out and about, but we are going to head back into the office.
Yeah.
I think we generally do need a nap. Yeah.
But guys, honestly, once again, it's the simple things in life. Smile. Just smile. Show love. You are enough. Don't forget to take a rest. Don't forget to take a breather. Don't forget to tell the person that you love them. Awesome advice from Tui.
That is beautiful.
Don't forget to tune in right after this. Lorenzo talking about the health here in the 09. And straight after Lorenzo, we've got Asiata bringing in the Samoan Pokalame for tonight. Thank you once again to all of our viewers who tune in, Pea and Claudia. And thank you to all of our sponsors for sponsoring our show. That's us. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Tau tua ma le au nanga mo tau sa mo service station nei tona i mata. Ma tau tau tuina lo ta vale, ma le tele o nisi o mata au nanga i se ese. Ai le ngata foile, ma tau te sia ke ina fo ila ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow mau lau tapan. Afai po vai vai pa olo sa. Awala te pon ma tu te siapa lah yang voice mau lau tapan.
Molo no po sila fia. Mua ta pe lau ta vale pe auto. Lua ta pe lau telefoni il tai me utu ina lau ta vale. Male vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo. E matua I pasa ina lo ta makta pa ai no fuanga pa pe. Mata Samoa. Ole mata mo Samoa. Mado te fia e au na pe mo o Samoa. Maftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
BluTable voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Mama Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight here to Mama Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūranga pitusili o le tāu. O le lafo me o le pepa tala o loa. O na whaanga le whaatau ai o loa e au ngā mo le ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le susa, sunga fua tau ai le sia susa.
Le fia foi sawe mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana whaakau ma me te mga oi. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo pa voucher, ua maua le apasusi o sewa fine. So se paro loa whaingo fie, a me se le te wherua I mana telefoni, tai mi uma. Ai lo le lafo me le cash, o na inu e lor tamā o le ainga.
Ia whaatea tulawa le talo for voucher mo le foi au nang fo whaatai. Ma lua langa le taumpai.
Tai talo pa voucher. Teki talo pa voucher.